Hello, today I like to talk about a very important subject, pay estimated taxes. Each state they have their own estimated taxes, income taxes. Today we are talking about the federal level or Internal Revenue Service. Estimated taxes, they call it for individual 1040 ES, which 4 times a year, 4 quarters, April 15, June 15, September 15, and the following year, January 15th, it will be paid. One day here and there. It is different for each year. And with paying estimated taxes, you are basically avoiding interest and penalties. The question is that, is there any advantage for individuals to pay estimated taxes quarterly? Yes, it is very important. To avoid this kind of problems at the time of the tax returns, income tax returns for individual, there is a simple solution for that. They call it the taxes pay as you go system. So what it means, each person either receiving salary, wages, in that case they have to contact with their employer, and on their W-4 forms, they have to reduce the number of allowance, which withholding it would be more. Another way is this: you're receiving a K1 or distribution from the S corporation, which you are shareholder, or receiving distribution from LLC, which you are interest holder, or receiving 1099 miscellaneous, 1099 other income, you might have receiving dividend, interest, so forth. So all will be accumulated at the end of the year when you're filing income taxes. Then it shows that you are paying less than supposedly. To prevent this, better use the system of pay as you go system. It means when your income is going higher for that quarter, pay more taxes based on the calculation. So one way to prevent this underestimated penalty is they call it safe harbor. If you pay like 90% of the current year income estimated taxes, or 110% of the previous year's income estimated taxes, or at the end of the year you have less than $1,000 owed to government after the credit and withholding, then you are okay, you are safe. The most important is this: the interest for underpayment increased from October 2023 from 3% to 8% annually and compounded daily, which is really very, very high amount of the interest. So we like to prevent this and pay our quarterly interest payment. Of course, one thing on the safe harbor I have to mention is for those that they have income of married filing joint more than 150,000, or married filing separate is $75,000. And another way that the only way that government is going to be waive this kind of interest penalty, only one way or two ways. One is that the person is disabled, or it was experienced a disaster in that area, and either government knows or experienced any kind of disaster. Another important point is this: if you don't file extension of time for your taxes, every month for non-filing, penalty is 5% up to 5 months, or 25% of any unbalanced amount that owed to government, and that increase 25% is a lot. So Filing extension of time is very important to prevent this kind of non-filing taxes. And overall, this was a subject that many clients are asking, and I say, why at the end of the year I am paying interest, penalty, so forth for my I am salary, I am withholding. I say no, because the other income accumulated and you are paying on total accumulation of all the income taxes is based on the total, not just salary. So there are very easy ways to prevent them. So pay estimated taxes as your tax preparer or so forth, they might be preparing to you and providing to you. Thank you very much for listening, watching. I hope that this subject was useful. Sharat Adayun, and thank you. Have a good day. Bye.